In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix Rumble app not working. If you're experiencing any challenge with your Rumble app, maybe the app is not responding or it hangs or it is too slow, then just follow these steps. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel. There are quite a number of steps you can take to fix your app. In the first method, we're going to access Rumble app info page. To do this, just long press on the app and now you should see app info. Go ahead and tap on app info, and from here we need to go ahead and clear the app data. So if I go to storage here, you can see a breakdown of data used by this app. Of importance is this cache data. Now when you talk of cache data, these are just small files that your app normally stores to enhance user experience, but the problem is accumulation of these files might cause your app to malfunction. To fix this, go ahead and clear all these cache files by just tapping on clear data down below here, and then choose the second option, clear cache, and okay. Now you can see our cache files have been cleared. At this point, restart your smartphone and then go ahead and open your Rumble app. And in most cases, you'll only need to do this to fix your app problem. However, if you're still experiencing any challenge, then you might want to go ahead and again come back to app info page. And this time around, go ahead and clear all data and okay. And now your app should be up and running. However, if you're still experiencing any challenge, then you need to go ahead and look for any update for your Rumble app through either Google Play Store or App Store. Here, look for any update and update your app to the latest version. By updating your app, you'll be able to fix any issues related to your older version of the app and get the latest version. However, should you still experience any challenge, then you might want to go ahead and uninstall this app. This is more especially if your app keeps on stopping or crashing. By uninstalling your app and installing it afresh, you'll be able to fix any bugs that might be associated with this version of your app. So by using any of these methods, you should be able to fix any issues related to Rumble Stream and Watch Video app. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.